I'm replacing a ceiling fan with light, 2 separate hot wires, with a light fixture that only needs one. Can I wire the 2 hots together, have a separate neutral and a ground?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Half-hour installation project.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope, just one too many hot wires.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. 1. Is the and light kit controlled by pull chains? 2. How many total house wires in the ceiling box and a breakdown of the wire colors? 3. Does the fan have a black wire and the light kit have a blue wire?
Light kit is not controlled by pull chain. 4 wires from a domed feed into the ceiling box with a white, bare copper, red, and a black. The new light fixture has green, white, black. Not domed, rather Romex feed.
Thanks for the replies. 1. So the house wires in the ceiling box are white, bare copper, a red and a black, is that correct? 2. Is there a wall switch that controls the ceiling box?
Can I wire together the 2 hots or separate them and wire nut it off?
I need answers to my previous questions.
Correct. Wall switch had a 3-way switch, 2 of which were for this fixture with a light switch and a fan switch. The third was a dimmer for the living room light fixture. Switches are the small rheostat type. Rheostat type.
1. Then the ceiling red and ceiling black are both controlled by wall switches. Therefore, these 2 wires are separate hot wires. 2. Do you have a 2-wire lead AC voltage tester or a multimeter to differentiate which house wire color originates from which wall switch?
No.
Since no tester, then it is a matter of trial and error. Anytime doing an electrical project, you should always have a multimeter readily available. 1. Splice the ceiling red to the light kit hot and splice the ceiling black to the fan hot. Reverse these splices if the switches are not controlling the light kit correctly. 2. Splice white to white. 3. Splice bare copper ground to any other bare copper grounds or green grounds.
There is no fan. I am removing a fan that had the 4-wire configuration and installing a fixture with pendant lights that only has 3 wires. I got the white to whites and ground issue. It's the 2 hots into 1 issue.
Sorry about that, I was assuming you were replacing with a fan. 1. Splice the light hot wire to either the ceiling red or black. But do not splice the ceiling red and black together. If the light does not work accordingly to the wall switch, then reverse the ceiling wire color splice. 2. Yes, white to white and grounds to ground. 3. Cap off the unused ceiling wire with a wire nut as it will not be used. Let me know if working okay. Thanks. Kevin.
Black to black and wired off the red and bingo, it works, and to the right switch, thank you.
Okay, good job. No problem, glad to assist. Hope this helps. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. Thank you for the positive service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care, and have a great day and happy holidays. Thanks again. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.